Batavia, Illinois, hides a weird history featuring a bones in a wall, a 1925 family mystery, a particle physics lab where a ferret once worked, and a herd of live bison. Settled in 1833 along the Fox River, Batavia is Kane County's oldest city. Originally called Head of Big Woods, its local limestone quarries boomed after the Great Chicago Fire of 1871, shipping heavy stone to help rebuild Chicago. By the late 1800s, Batavia became known as the Windmill City because multiple factories manufactured American-style windmills there. This booming economy attracted immigrants to work in the town's quarries, factories, and railroads. Batavia's history includes several bizarre local legends. One resident, Mr. Gunzenhauser, built an elaborate copper-topped gazebo in his yard to play his violin. His wife didn't love hearing it as much as he enjoyed playing it. Then Fermilab was established near Batavia in 1967, is a premier 6,800-acre particle physics laboratory known for its striking architecture, unique sculptures, and iconic Wilson Hall. Using its powerful tevatron accelerator, Fermilab scientists discovered the bottom quark in 1977 and the top quark in 1995, revealing the fundamental building blocks of our universe. The lab also collaborates directly with CERN on major international projects, including the Large Hadron Collider and the historic discovery of the Higgs boson. In 1969, founding director Robert Wilson brought a herd of American bison to Fermilab to symbolize the connection between the old American frontier and the new frontier of particle physics. Genetic testing shows these bison have no cattle genes, and they still roam the lab's restored prairies today. But the most famous animal worker was Felicia the ferret. In 1971, engineers bought her for $35 to pull a cleaning string through 300-foot vacuum pipes, clearing out debris that could ruin the particle accelerator. She became a media star before a mechanical cleaner replaced her, and she passed away in May 1972. Today, Fermilab's cutting-edge mission centers on the deep underground neutrino experiment, DUNE. Scientists fire a beam of tiny, ghost-like particles called neutrinos straight through the Earth, without a tunnel, to a massive detector located underground at the Sanford Underground Research Facility in Leeds, South Dakota. By traveling 800 miles across state lines, these particles help scientists study neutrino oscillation to see how they change types mid-flight. In 1978, a human skull was discovered hidden inside a wall during a Batavia home renovation. The case went cold until the skull was rediscovered in 2021 and sent for modern DNA testing. Scientists identified the remains as Esther Granger, a 17-year-old who passed in Indiana in 1866 after giving birth. Investigators believe she was a victim of 19th-century grave robbing for medical study, though no one knows for sure. After more than 150 years, Esther was finally laid to rest in a proper Batavia burial. On December 13, 1925, Henry Jeske, a popular local bank cashier, his wife Eva, and their 5-year-old son Ralph were taken too soon at their Batavia farm. A farm worker discovered the bodies, and the phone lines were cut, the house was ransacked, and the family car was stolen in an apparent robbery. The brutal crime remained an unsolved mystery until a man named Oscar Otto Johnson confessed before passing. However, because Johnson passed before he could face a courtroom, the case never received a definitive legal resolution. Bellevue Place, built in the 1850s as a women's sanitarium, famously housed Mary Todd Lincoln in 1875. Local folklore claims the spirit of a sad woman in old-fashioned clothing haunts the windows. The 1854 Batavia Depot Museum houses Mary Todd Lincoln artifacts, where workers and visitors report unexplained cold spots, self-opening doors, and phantom footsteps. Other phantoms include the West Side Phantom, a tall specter in a white shirt and high boots, rumored to vanish the moment you look at him. The woods around West Main Community Park, visitors report eerie feelings of being watched. Whether through verified cold cases or lingering tales of restless spirits, the past always seems to find you.